What I love most about working in the trucking industry is the people, and I mean, we move America, and it's a 24-hour business for sure.
CAT's really helped us to grow out to what I'll call independent shops. So the folks that are building a couple trucks a year or maybe throughout the month. And we've really been targeting trying to build those relationships with those independent shops and help build their capabilities, but also be able to provide them with the CAT Genuine parts that we have to make sure we can take care of all of our customers, whether they're working with the local independent shop, they're working through us directly, or they're going to one of their manufacturer OEMs.
Caterpillar has such a great support system, and if you have any questions, it's easier to contact one of the dealers, and they will lead you in the right direction on either updates or bulletins that are out on them, and just the product improvement from year to year if there's problems out there. They really stay on top of their game on trying to produce the best product that's out there.
We have a very unique set of customers where we get to deal with owner-operators, and those are always special relationships. And then on the other side, we get to deal with large fleets, and that brings another perspective and another set of things that we get to do to service that large customer base.
What resources does Caterpillar offer us? Well, they're a phone call away. Any questions, concerns, and they can tell us the availability of stuff. They can tell us the technical questions. If we see a problem on someone's engine, they're there to help you or to find out if this is going to possibly be, a warranty issue or anything like that. The whole dealer network is standing right there and available to you.
How Caterpillar works with us to give customers the best experience would be when we overhaul an engine, we buy cylinder heads or even a platinum kit or something like that. We put the Component Plus coverages on it that CAT offers, and the customers really like that to give them that extra insurance to have warranty for 4 years or whatever they choose to buy.
When you have a repair or you have a planned rebuild, to be able to be comfortable with who's doing it, but also to be able to walk away with the extended coverage, it puts everybody at ease, myself included.
And that gives my customer another level of security and workmanship that puts us above the rest.
It's always great. It really brings a lot of pride when I see someone like LC Haulers with a S60 boom lift driving down the highway where we sold them the truck, they're delivering our rental machine for our customers. So that's really what the business is all about, seeing that full circle.